Juan, just
Mr. Chairman,
DSJJ, if I just would like to ask a very short question to Colonel Grijaldo in relation to the questions asked by Congressman Juan. Doon ba sa investigasyon nyo, you were the chief of police ng Mandaluyong when the Barayuga assassination happened, correct?
Yes, sir.
And base sa inyong investigasyon sa nangyaring yon, ano ang posibleng motibo sa pagpatay kay kay General Barayuga?
Your Honor, hindi na nga po ako nakapag na-discuss during the ng SITG report because I was not already that time.
On whose orders the SITG was formed? Is it the chief of police or somebody higher than you?
On the district level, Your Honor.
So and who was that?
The district director, Your Honor.
And he was the district director at that time.
Just I could not remember the...
Imposible naman, Colonel, hindi mo matandaan yung immediate superior mo.
Just I'll check, Your Honor.
Check. I'll give you 30 seconds. Please check.
Yes, Your Honor. Check ko lang, Your Honor.
No, hindi naman kapani-paniwala na hindi mo matandaan kung sino yung superior mo. If you're trying to cover up for someone, do it in the most professional way, so to speak. I don't know if there is really a professional way to do that, but there is some semblance of cover-up.
The letter order number 1657, the subject matter is the composition of SITG regarding Wesley Barayuga. It was by the command of Police Brigadier General Almasan, Your Honor.
General Almasan.
Yes, Your Honor.
Pagka sinabi bang district director which covers the area of Mandaluyong, ito ba ay part of the NCR?
Yes, Your Honor. Pamarisan, Your Honor. Pasig, Marikina, Eastern po, sir. Yes, sir.
So
yes, sir.
Eastern. And that time, the Eastern Police District Director was General
Almasan, Your Honor.
Almasan.
Opo, Your Honor.
Siya nag-order na mag-create ng SITG.
Yes, Your Honor.
So, did you not conduct an immediate initial investigation on that assassination incident that happened within your area of jurisdiction? Wala ka bang ginawang investigasyon?
Nag-conduct din po kami ng investigation, Your Honor. We were able to get affidavits of those duty that time in PCSO. I was able to extract the CCTV on the fronting the crime scene, Your Honor.
So what is shown on TV yung sa side
Yeah, Your
So
Honor.
you have
There was
another-
an establishment, Your Honor.
Meron kang another video.
No, Your Honor. It was only the CCTV that time on the establishment on the side, Your Honor.
Okay.
Yeah.
And what was the finding? What was your findings in your initial investigation?
Yung inano namin, Your Honor, yung perpetrators, Your Honor, sinundan namin yun, binacktrack din namin, umabot hanggang dun sa Guadalupe, yung CCTV ng MMDA, Your Honor. We have taken also CCTV from
And,
MMDA.
What was the conclusion of your what were your findings? Anong findings nyo? Anong motibo sa pagpatay sa kanya?
We were on the personal grudge, Your Honor, and work-related, Your Honor, that time na-establish namin. Then it was forwarded, Your Honor. It was taken by the SITG already in the
Did you
district
put
level.
in your report that he was involved in the drugs or was he involved in the drugs watch list? Did you put that in your report?
Just I could not remember, Your Honor, if it was put on record or on the investigation report done by the investigator or the IOC, Your Honor.
Sige, I'll yield the floor to
Chairman,
DSJJ first and then Congressman Adyong. Yes, DSJJ.
Congressman Adyong, okay lang. This will be very short lang. Mr. Chairman, I just want